so I'm at the Maher's. We are looking at replacing a furnace, air conditioner, and water heater, as well as some other work. So first thing, replacing the furnace and air conditioner. We're going to replace the drop from here down, do a 5-inch 8 layer media filter. We are going to refrigerant lines. I'm going to see if we can reuse them, but likely we need to just replace the refrigerant lines. They run out right here. We're going with a high efficiency furnace, so we're going to go with a 95%er. We're going to abandon the flue. We're going to probably go with either a 1 power vent 75 gallon or 2 50-gallon electric water heaters. We have so our high efficiency furnace will be vented out up here. We'll want to go out right around to the right of where the line set goes out. We're gonna have to go through that brick there and through that joist. But everything drains right there. We're gonna install a new humidifier. And that's it.